Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Leo niko hapa jirani ya church hivi doing some cleaning. Today I'll be flashing the church compound because we made it all over. Nilianza but I wasn't in a position to record because I'm alone. Na sina hizo vitu za kushika kamera. But I'm here now to show you how the superwoman, woman of strength, the proverbs 31 woman brought me up, akinifunza kufanya hizi mavibarua zote. So leo niko hapa kufyeka this compound, to clean it, clean the church and the rest. Join me and join my video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Ta-da! Twende kazi. Karibuni. Go hapa. Go the other side, I already cleaned it. But look at this. After kufagia, I realized that I have flashed. Ingawa my blisters are hurting. Juu, don't really give me. Nilifanya kitambo sana. Kama bado naishi ushoga. Naomba tunakaa Nairobi. Have a moment to reply. Here now. Linda goma, msikitini kwa, msikitini kwa, msikitini kwa, msikitini. Nani lola lola zani zahedu, temura karinda, lola lola zani zahedu, temura karinda. Nani lola lola zani zahedu, temura karinda, zani zahedu. Nangira mi adeni manangira mazira kare kwe. Bizo dinalola ikimaya kulebu. Indeni beru kariye bizonge na nazano bizonge. But I have a blister. It is so painful that I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this. I'll take this. I will just hey, hey, hey. I'm hungry. My stomach is empty, completely empty, completely empty. we could do it. Oh, I'm tired. So I'm gonna get a wheelbarrow. I love this. Take it to the compost bin. Then from there, we're going to sweep the rest of the compound. From there, for cleaning the compound, I will be going to wash inside the church. Fortunately, yesterday I cleaned upstairs, so today I'll be cleaning downstairs and the rest. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I know I've been away, but sometimes you just feel like you need your time alone, your privacy. That's why I haven't been posting so much. But now that I'm here, we will walk this journey together. As I had Ali said, my YouTube channel is a jack of all trades. Anything good, anything worth sharing with you guys, I'll be sharing with you. Thank you so much. Bye.